Welcome to our exploration of Devin AI in software engineering and a comparative analysis with ChatGPT-4. Devin AI plays a crucial role in software engineering, and we'll be comparing its features and capabilities with ChatGPT-4, another popular AI model. Devin AI is a powerful tool in software engineering, offering core functionalities such as code generation, bug detection, and code optimization. Its advanced features make it a valuable asset for developers and engineers. Using Devin AI is a seamless process, from setting it up to providing input data and interpreting the output. Its ease of integration into existing development workflows makes it a practical choice for software engineering tasks. We'll be conducting a comparative analysis of Devin AI and ChatGPT-4, focusing on their capabilities in code generation, bug detection, and overall performance. By highlighting their strengths and weaknesses, we aim to provide valuable insights for software engineering professionals. Discover the advantages of using Devin AI, including its specialized focus on software engineering tasks. We'll emphasize unique features and benefits that set Devin AI apart from ChatGPT-4. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Devin AI in software engineering. Stay tuned for more insights and resources for further exploration.